St. Andrews High Secondary School, Vasco, is celebrating with joy the feast of St. John the Baptist, which is popularly known as San Juan. There are three main reasons why we celebrate this feast. First of all, St. John the Baptist was a great saint who came before Jesus, and he spread the message of simplicity and humility. We want our students also, regardless of which backgrounds they come from, what is their socio-economic status, to be simple and humble. The second message is message of love, joy, unity and brotherhood. San Juan is a festival that all of us, regardless of our religion, we celebrate. And here at St. Andrews, we not only celebrate San Juan, we celebrate all the festivals, whether it's of the Muslims, the Eid, whether it is of the Hindus, the Ganesh Chaturthi or the Diwali. We celebrate all festivals with the message that we all need to respect each other's religion. We need to live in peace and harmony and unity. And thirdly, the message of this San Juan is the top, what you see there, the words hope, H-O-P-E. H-O-P-E stands for heal our precious earth. Heal our precious earth. Our earth is suffering from environmental degradation. Throughout this year, this is going to be our message of hope, healing our precious earth. And this San Juan celebration is also something to do with hope. You see this copel which are biodegradable, and everything that we use is biodegradable. Again, we are passing on this message that we need to protect, conserve and preserve our environment. I, on behalf of the entire St. Andrews community, would like to wish one and all a happy feast of San Juan. तुमकां सगळ्यांक San Juanची परब आवडटा. Viva San Juan, Viva Goa.
We at St. Andrews High Secondary School celebrate all the feasts, the Catholic feast, the Ganesh Chaturthi and Diwali, Eid, all the feasts, because we want to teach our students to respect all the religions. And John the Baptist is known for humility. He is known for truth, brotherhood and unity. We want to impart the same values to our students. So today with great joy we are celebrating the birth of Saint John the Baptist, and we wish all of you happy San Juan.
This particular festival brings us all together. So I'll explain this particular festival in 4 words, in 4 minutes. John, J stands for joy. Okay, as you can see, all the children are filled of joy. The birth of John was beginning of joy. So O stands for opportunity. Opportunity. It gives us all us opportunity to come together, irrespective of religions. It binds us together. Because in today's world, it's very important to respect one another's religion. So this gives us the opportunity to come together and celebrate. H, J-O-H. H stands for hope. That today's world, we are educating and celebrating different festivals and giving us all these particular students a message that they will be living in future together, peace and harmony. So this gives us hope that in the future also they will be the better citizens of this country. And finally, J-O-H-N. And is never give up. John, throughout his ministry, he never give up. So as students, we should not give up in whatever we do. We should keep on trying. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.